Hello, everybody. Welcome to Storm Talk. Latest in our video blog here. I'm Wave 3 meteorologist Brian Good. Stormy night last night, especially along the north of the parkways. Picked up some decent rain totals, a couple of inches of rain in some spots. Less than that here in Louisville, mainly about an inch and a half was pretty common here in the metro for a while there. And quite the lightning show, too. Our southern counties kind of got missed out. And you picked up a little bit of rain here this morning at midday around Campbellsville and Greensburg. You can use a little more. But we have another front. That was front number one. It kind of washed itself out last night over us. Now the main front. This is the one that's going to be the season changer, and it not a polar vortex like you've been hearing. This is going to be a season changer for us in the sense it's going to give us a little bit more of a cool atmosphere relative to what we normally would see in July. And it's not going to last long, though. It's only going to be about a 48-hour maybe. All right, let's get right to the prediction center, storm prediction center outlook here. Slight risk. It includes everybody for the next 12 hours. Does not mean everybody will see severe weather. It means the atmosphere has ingredients in place to possibly produce severe weather. Right now on the radar, we've got storms in southeast Kentucky. These are the ones that gave us some rain across areas of Greensburg and Campbellsville, now becoming severe in London, Kentucky. Look at the lightning with that, too. I mean, it's a lot of lightning moving in southeast Kentucky. Severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. Let me turn on the other radars so you can see what's going on in that area. These storms are ahead of the actual cold front, and the cold front, again, stretched out just like this across Illinois and Missouri, and the storms are developing right along that and becoming rapidly severe. Now, this is going to be the portion of the line, though, that I'm going to be watching that will impact us here in southern Indiana, northern Kentucky. For those of us to the south, though, in southern Kentucky, the Storm Prediction Center has hinted they may issue a severe thunderstorm watch for this area. They included southern Kentucky in that outlook. It may be more like a Tennessee issue, though. They may issue an outlook here for potentially some storms, but we'll keep an eye on that as we enter this afternoon. Now, as far as heating goes, we turn on the visible satellite, and you'll be able to see that we've had some cloud cover this morning because of the showers and storms, but now we're starting to see the sun break out ahead of the line here. So at least the strong to severe potential is going to keep going in Illinois and Indiana, at least in the area I've outlined. That looks to be a pretty good bet. Now, we're just now getting some breaking through in Kentucky, so it depends on how much we can clear out in the next couple of hours, because we have plenty of time here to still heat things up. It's only about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so we can still see some heating in the area, and that could keep them going all the way into northern Kentucky, so I wouldn't rule it out. But wind threat is going to be the main issue there, and some lightning, some heavy rain, but you can see this line overall is a pretty narrow line. It's going to be quick hitting in and out of here, and things will calm down and clear out after that. Here it is on Futurecast for the rest of this afternoon. The showers and storms from Indiana begin to enter the picture around news time for this afternoon on northern counties. And notice how it kind of washes them out a little bit, although some storms may develop ahead of the line. Our highest chance, though, looks to be from about newscast time this afternoon, 5, 6 o'clock, through about 8 or 9. That's going to be the time frame I think we'll have storms in our viewing area. And then the cold front moves through, and we get that northwest flow to kick in, and the skies clear out, and we'll get a much more comfortable day for Tuesday. One thing I want to point out, though, as we head down the road here, here's the showers and storms in the next 24 hours. The front moves through, we clear things out, but when I mentioned this yesterday, you get cold air aloft, and you heat that ground up, you could get some showers that try to work their way in, and Futurecast is trying to point out that a few showers may develop across areas of Indiana and Illinois. The coverage looks to be limited in this fashion, but I wouldn't rule out a few of these showers that could develop as far south as our area, but by all means, there could be an isolated shower this week, especially Wednesday, that could develop that cold air aloft. I wouldn't rule it out, some cloud cover otherwise, but it'd be nice. Then we got to watch this system back here to the west. This system here to the west of us in the portions of Arkansas and into Missouri is going to be our next weather maker, and it looks like it is going to work its way in from the southwest on Friday. Friday is looking much more wetter than what it did last night. Looking ahead here, got this cool snap. We try to warm things up toward the weekend, but another chance for cooler air to dive back down by the end of the month. I don't see a lot of change happening in our weather pattern anytime soon. No extreme heat waves, certainly. Now, the heat that we picked up yesterday, that 97 degrees, that was because of two factors. One, actually three factors. The ground's been getting dry, so we had more heat to work with. But the airport, the heat out in effect in full gear, the way the wind fields are yesterday. And we have big storms to the north. And when you have storms to the north, it really can cause a lot of sinking air to take place to the south of this complex of storms. And we saw that, and that really can heat things up when you sink the air down. And that was a potential that we probably saw that yesterday too. So kind of an anomaly for yesterday, but overall, I don't see any major heat waves. Just cool shots will keep on coming through. All right, we're here watching storms this afternoon to the northwest and to our south, and we'll let you know how things progress with constant updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you today at 5.